Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have learned how to parse a HTML file with CSS in Rust programming language. Now in this video, we are going to learn how we can use Bootstrap to make a navigation in your existing HTML page. That we are going to learn in this video. So let's move to the project. This is the project. Now we have to go to the internet for Bootstrap, and here we have a download. Then click on this download button. After this file, you will download this file. So just click on this download button and you will download a file. I have already downloaded, that is Bootstrap 3.3.dist.zip. If you open this, in this we have two subfolders, CSS and JavaScript. From this, extract this bootstrap.css or bootstrap.min.css, whatever you want. I have extracted bootstrap.css, and then from JS file extract this bootstrap.js file. Remember that these two files you have to extract. So I have already extracted this file like this in a bootstrap folder. So just copy this bootstrap folder and go to your VS Code, and inside this public folder where we have HTML pages in Rust, go to File Explorer and here just open your public folder and paste here. Remember that your Bootstrap files are under the public folder. Here we have, just close it. Now Bootstrap is here, we have to include this inside our HTML page. So this is about, I'm closing this. This is my index page. So here I want to include this. So here in header, I'm using this, I say link, I say relation, rel, and here I say style sheet, and here I say href, and that is bootstrap, and we have CSS. So like this, we include this. Now I need to include JavaScript also. So I say script tag, and I say src. Under this, I say bootstrap, and I say JavaScript file also, and I close this. So you see script is also inserted. So we have included Bootstrap CSS file and JavaScript file in our application, and you can also insert this JavaScript file at the end of the body tag, whatever you prefer. You can insert this here also. That is also workable, no problem at all. Now after that, because I have already used my CSS also, so I am using this existing one, but here I want to create a navbar. So go to this and search here navbar. You see navbar is there, and I'm going to insert Bootstrap navbar. So this is the navbar. So I just copy to clipboard and go to my VS Code HTML tag, and here after body I just paste this. You see, so navbar is here, and this inside a navbar tab. Everything is here, and in from navbar, here I say Dr. Vipin Classes. Then what I need this link I does not require, so I just go to first of all on my page and I refresh it. You will see that Bootstrap link is done, and I doesn't require all these things. I will use only 2 and 3 link. So for that I am removing all. So this drop down also, so this is my active link li drop down. So I just do like this and I remove this drop down. I doesn't require this. I will make a simple one, and disabled also I doesn't require this, no problem at all. And search also I doesn't require this, so I am removing search also. You see, so if I refresh once again, you will see that we have such kind of 2 link only, link 1 and link 2, that I'm going to use. So first one is home. So I search the home here. This is the home one. So we can say home, no problem. And in place of this, I put here root like this, no problem at all, because it's a home one. And in place of link, I say about.html. You see, and here I say about like this. Save this. Only 2 link I have in my navbar. So try to check this. You see, if I click on home, then home is already working. If I click on about, you see about page is going, but it is not coming on each and every page. because this is not a home page in my website. That's why it is not coming on each and every page. But you see, we are able to access my page. I click on about, I'm able to do this. So right now I can put this file to about also. Otherwise I can design a template, and inside the template I will move all the pages, and similar about and index.html, all the page will move under the template. So you can do whatever you want, but the purpose of this video is to show that you can include Bootstrap also in Rust programming language. And you see, I'm able to add navigation also like this. You can add your own link also. The about is also working, and you see home is also working. And if you want to put this link on about also, so just do like this. Here we have a navbar, so copy this navbar like this and open this about also, and put this navbar here. So save this, and you have to put the link also. So I just copy this also, because right now I do not have a template for this. That's why I'm just overriding this. So done this, and you see that if I refresh it, so I have navbar here also. I go to home, you see, and I click on about. I go to about, you see, everything is working fine now. It looked like a website, but it is just a copy of navbar on top of the about page also. It's not a template designing. Template designing is a different approach. You can design your template, and under the template you can move your pages and you will run your website. So you can do that, test yourself. In this video I tried to explain you that you can add Bootstrap also in Rust web server. So I have explained you how you can do this, and you see that your website is ready. This time it's a static website, but you can add your Next.js application also, React application also inside this, and you can make it more dynamic. It depends on you what you want to do. It's just an introduction. In single video I can't explain each and every concept of website development. So it's a you can say very useful video for the beginners, those who want to run their website in Rust programming language. So I have explained the process of adding Bootstrap in Rust in a very simple steps. I think you learn also. If you learn, please help me to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.